Welcome to HQR. In this video, we will show you how to view your ASC preview report. From the dashboard, go to the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Select Program Reporting and then Public Reporting. You are now on the Measure Data page. You can view available reporting periods by selecting a release date from the Release drop-down menu. To view data for ASC, scroll down to the measure categories. Select the Plus button beside the Ambulatory Surgery Center Quality Reporting header to expand the section. Once you've chosen the desired release year, select the Export Data button above. Then you can explore your measure data. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.